Title: The Great Jellybean Adventure. Characters: Benny the Bunny, a curious and playful bunny. Lulu the Ladybug, Benny's best friend, always full of bright ideas. Grumpy Gus the Tortoise, a slow-moving but wise character who loves to nap. Wiggly the Worm, always wiggling, and loves to play pranks. Once upon a time, in a colorful meadow filled with flowers, there lived a bunny named Benny. Benny loved exploring, and his best friend was Lulu the Ladybug. One sunny morning, Benny and Lulu were hopping around when they spotted something sparkling in the distance. "What's that shiny thing over there?" Benny asked, his ears perking up. "I don't know, but let's go find out," Lulu replied, buzzing excitedly. As they got closer, they saw a rainbow-colored jellybean sitting on a rock. "It's so big and shiny," Benny said. "I've never seen a jellybean like this before." Just then, Grumpy Gus the Tortoise slowly waddled over. "What are you two doing here?" he asked, his voice as slow as his steps. "We found a giant jellybean," Benny exclaimed. "Do you think we can eat it?" Grumpy Gus scratched his shell. You might want to be careful. Giant jellybeans are tricky. They might look sweet, but they can lead you on wild adventures." "Wild adventures?" Lulu said, excited. "We love adventures." Suddenly, Wiggly the Worm popped up from the ground. "Did someone say wild adventures? I know just the thing." He wiggled over and tapped the jellybean. Zap! A huge swirl of colors spun around them, and before they knew it, Benny, Lulu, Grumpy Gus, and Wiggly were all whisked away to a magical candy forest. "There's so much candy here," Benny said, his eyes wide with excitement. "Look at those candy cane trees and chocolate rivers." But then they heard a deep voice. "Who dares enter the candy forest?" Out of the bushes came a big, funny-looking candy dragon with a lollipop tail. "We're just exploring," Benny said nervously. The candy dragon giggled. "Exploring, huh? Well, if you want to leave, you'll need to find the sugar crystal. It's hidden somewhere in the forest. If you can find it, I'll let you go home." Benny, Lulu, Grumpy Gus, and Wiggly looked at each other. It was a challenge, but they were ready for an adventure. They searched through the forest, passing candy canes, marshmallow bushes, and licorice vines. Along the way, they met new friends: gummy bear clowns, jellyfish that glowed, and even a chocolate chip cookie monster. Finally, they came across a sparkly sugar crystal resting on a cupcake pedestal. "I found it," Lulu cheered. The candy dragon appeared, clapping his lollipop tail. "Well done, you've completed the challenge. Now, I'll send you home." With a swirl of candy dust, Benny, Lulu, Grumpy Gus, and Wiggly were back in the meadow, with the giant jellybean still sitting on the rock. "That was the sweetest adventure ever," Benny laughed. "And we didn't even eat the jellybean," Lulu giggled. Grumpy Gus shook his head. "That's because some adventures are even sweeter than candy." The friends laughed and agreed. And from that day on, they promised to explore, but only the sweetest adventures. The end. This story is full of fun, whimsy, and a light moral about friendship and the joy of discovery.